Brought to you by 1AAuto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet.
Hi, I'm Mike from 1AAuto. I hope this how-to video helps you out. And next time you need parts for your vehicle, think of 1AAuto.com. Thanks.
In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and reinstall an inside door handle on this 2000 Oldsmobile Alero, same as any 99 to 04 Alero. This is a two-door. The four-door front is basically the same, a little bit different getting the door panel off, but that's it. Tools you'll need are 8mm wrench, small flat blade screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and either a 10mm wrench or a socket and ratchet with extension.
Use an 8mm wrench and disconnect your negative battery cable. You're going to start right under your door pull. There's a little kind of a trap door here, and either from the top or bottom, just pry that off, and there's two Phillips screws in there.
And we'll speed it up here a little bit as I just remove those screws. I'll use fast forward quite often when I'm just kind of doing monotonous tasks like this.
Okay, now right up here, you just kind of pull on this panel, it comes off. And if you have this speaker here, just use a screwdriver, pry up on this tab, and disconnect it. And also down in this corner, use a little screwdriver and pull this reflector out. And then inside here, there's a Phillips screw. Okay, once you have that out, door panel clip tool or a putty knife. You can start kind of anywhere, slide in there, and then slide it until you feel a clip. And the door panel clip tool, you go around the clip and then pull. That screw comes out. Car. Okay, I can kind of see back in here. See here that clips. Okay. And then just work your way all the way around the door. Okay, once you have the door pretty loose, it comes out and lifts up. Your door lock, just put it back on this tab, disconnect it, and then these two switches just have tabs on them. This one I'm just going to reach underneath. Pulling that one off. And this mirror switch, a little more difficult. There's a tab right here. Use my little screwdriver. Force it up. I just take my foot screwdriver, force it up in there, pry that down, and that released. And then my last one here is my trunk switch, which again, just use your screwdriver. There's a locking tab right here. Okay, to remove your door handle is pretty easy. There's a 10mm bolt right here. Remove that. Okay, now push your handle forward and pull it off. And once you get your handle off, you want to basically grab your rods, one with each finger, pull up on the rods while you twist and move the handle like that. Okay, and then reinstallation. Push the rods on. As they get on there, put them on so now they're like that. Handle back into position. Insert your bolt. Tighten that up. Okay, plug in our lock switch right up here. And our mirror. Push this in a little bit. Okay, power window switch. And this one goes down to our control switch. And then make sure you push the top door panel in. Make sure this speaker lead is up out of there. Push the door panel down into that channel. Okay, you may have to use your putty knife or your panel clip tool to kind of force the upholstery in there a little bit. I'm going to peek back in here. Make sure your pins are going in where they should.
Okay, and fast forward through reinstalling those 3 Phillips screws.
And put your reflector back in. Put this panel back on. Plug back in your lead there. Put that back on. Okay, and then reconnect your negative battery cable.
We hope this helps you out. Brought to you by www.1aauto.com, your source for quality replacement parts and the best service on the internet. Please feel free to call us toll-free 888-844-3393. We're the company that's here for you on the internet and in person.